think we are live now. We are live. We are indeed live. Welcome everybody. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun. Let's open up. Mm. All right. Send now. Send that link out real quick. Quick. Let's pop up in here real quick, and let's have a look real quick. What's up, Junior? What's up, Davies? What's up, bro? How you doing, man? Thank you for tuning in again. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Welcome everybody. AGR, that's a new name. What's up, bro? How you doing? The Sleeve DJ, what is poppin'? How you guys doing? Good morning. Thank you for tuning in. Thursday morning here on Gold. I'm currently not in any positions. Still looking to get in. Yo, Jay Martins, what's going on, bro? Good morning to you as well. Thank you for tuning in. Currently just chilling. I mean, I missed the move on my zone. I was doing other things. But it was right there. The move was right there. Alright, let's see here. Let's have a look here. Let's mark up here. Let's mark up gold. I mean, it's already marked up, but let's mark it up anyway. Let's break it down real quick. Alright. So, let's start with the monthly. Let's break that down real quick. The monthly candle is pushing higher than resistance, but it's already rejecting a little bit. Now, me personally, I'm only looking for shorts. You can hate me or you can love me. I'm only looking for shorts. There's no way that I'm gonna buy somewhere in this area. I need a decent pullback before I buy. You know what I mean? The weekly, we're at weekly resistance and daily support. Right? Weekly resistance and daily support. The daily is exactly where I said just now. We're at that daily support right here. If this daily candle closes bearish, we're coming down to 1804. 100%. Easy. Right? Because then what do you have right here? Let's pull out the tool. Right? Boom. You have that. Higher, low, blah, 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 blah. Right? High, higher, low. Higher, low. High, lower, low. Now, if this closes bearish, that confirms resistance below support. And then we would have our first confirmation of a lower high, which means that it respected the higher low. Right? Now, with that in mind, you go to the 4-hour time frame, and then you do the same thing. And then you look what possibly could happen. Right? Here you have it. You have your little higher highs and higher lows being created. Fake out, right? Higher low, higher high, right? Then boom. And now we're breaking structure on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour closes in 6 minutes, right? We have resistance, support / resistance right up in this area, which is also daily support. We have support area that just got broke right here. So as long as price stays below the bodies of that candle, structure structure has broke. Right, and then we have some support areas, double bottom areas right up in this area right here. You could further go down, right, just like that. Then what else do we have? We have a support area right here that I like a lot. Right, might seem like a lot, but trust, it's gonna take a shit. Let's see here. 1 hour candles. Nothing's happening. Right? Nothing's happening at all. 30-minute, nothing's happening. 15-minute, 15 minutes engulfing, which kind of does make sense because we're at the close of the 4 hour candle, so we would need a wick on the 4 hour candle. Now, what I'm waiting for, is news. We do have news coming in real soon, and we do, and on the 4 hour time frame, we are bullish. So, looking to buy 1830 with the inflation figures coming out today. Oh yeah, we also have news. 1830-ish. Why 1830? Oh, I see. Oh, you wanted to retest? 1830? You're looking to buy here? Wait for it. Pull back lower. There's no zone here, you know what I mean? 1830.78. 1830-ish. Somewhere roughly about here. Wait, let me see if I can pinpoint it for you. Roughly about here. There's wicks here, but for me, I needed to really pull down to support before I look at anything to buy. I mean, if you are in this 1830, like you said, you should be in profit. Good job. But for me, I needed to pull back at least to here. In this area, you got the monthly resistance and then you have this strong support area. At least, probably leave a wick up in here and then closing above here. At least, bro. I'm not, especially now with the 4 hour closing. In 4 minutes, it is rejecting. But what do you think the next 4 hour candle is going to do? The next 4 hour candle is going to give you a wake up in this area again, and it's going to drop lower, right? Because this 4 hour candle, even if it doesn't close below here, it did engulf. It did engulf, right? So now, all you got to do is wait for another hour and a half, 2 hours probably, to really see what it wanted to do. Right, and if I see any engulfings on the 15-minute time frame, bearish engulfings, I'm entering. Right, I'm entering. I like how you said 1830 and it tapped right into 1830. So now I'm kind of curious how you found that zone. I mean, it's 15-minute support, which is obvious, but I don't mess with the 15-minute supports. Lately, they have been getting respected, and gold has been disrespecting those or respecting those lower time frame zones, but I'm not messing with them. Stick to my 4 hour zones, right? And purely for YouTube, I am entering 15-minute engulfing candles to show people how effective it is, right? Oh my god, here's this dude again. Viewers are getting less and less. Bogus trader. They've actually stayed the same. It ranges 20 to 30, but I am about to block you. Thanks for the comment. I want to see your MetaTrader, and I want to see my MetaTrader. Let's see who gains the most percentage at the end of the year. You can talk. Now you're just gonna listen to me because I'm about to block you actually. Simple. I don't have time for people like you, bro. Negative vibes. right? Uh, I can't stand people like that. I remember the dude. I even took time out of my day to explain to him what I'm doing with confirmations, with everything, and then pulls up because he likes his 10 pips. I mean, go ahead, man, do your thing, bro. I'm just block you. Just don't come back to the channel, bro. Like, let's look at the percentages gained at the end of the year. I don't look at today. Let's look at the end of the year, right? I'm here for a long term. Right, look at the end of the year, how much percent you made and how much percent I made. You probably make like 30%. That's what we're making a month. Right? So, um, no more energy to that dude. Fuck that. Right? No more energy to that dude. Right? Negative vibes. Nah, it's not good, bro. It's never good, right? I started my morning positive. Had breakfast. You know, did my little push-ups. Right? Came on the charts. Saw goals tanking. Feeling good, right? Tuned in with my boy Luke. Feeling good. So, delete, block. Yeah, he's probably a demo trader 100%. Right? To gold buys at 1835. See, probably did too. He probably did. Please ignore him. Oh yeah, for sure, bro. 100%. 100%. I don't want to, you know, my vibes are always positive. I don't want to ruin those, right? Don't waste time on negative Nancy's. Nah, he's a Timmy. We call people like that Timmys. Timmys. You little Timmy. Oh man, come on, you can't. Nah, man. He's probably making a new account right now. Like, oh, I'm about to get him. I'm about to get him. Ah, come on, bro. I don't mind. I don't care. Right? But I really did start a funded account. Um, just trading 15-minute engulfing candles. Right? Um, this would have been an entry right here on a 15-minute engulfing candle. So what I like to do is I like to you got to do it at support and resistance, right? So, and because the stop loss is higher, I mean, you're going to risk more. Or you're going to put, I mean, you're not going to risk more. I mean, you are going to risk more, but you're going to put your stop loss higher. So it actually equals out, right? So, on these 15-minute engulfing candle trades, I like to risk 1.5%, 1.50, right? So, 1.50, I would enter here at the break of the candle, right? Still 7 pips above, right? So that would be 16 pips. So let's do this right here. Stop loss here, entry here. Let's make that green, just like that. All right. Let's see. Is that 7 pips from structure? A little higher. About here. All right. Something like that. All right. And then what you're targeting is just a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So I'd have an entry right here, and then I'd have an entry right at the open, right when price opens, right when the next 15-minute candle opens. Same thing, stops above. So then you're looking at what, 22 pips? Kind of the same thing, same stop loss, different entry. So this is now your second entry, just like that. Did you get stopped out? No. What's your stop loss? From one position, you do gotta remember the positions though. 16 pips. 16 times 2 was that like 34, right? Looking at 34 pips. RR, 2 to R. It's hit, right? Now this one, you have a 22 pip stop loss, so you're looking at 44 pip risk to reward, or 44 pip TP. Hasn't been hit yet. To be frank, you need to be right here. that would be your TP on the other, on the second entry, right? So, I mean, but one TP would have already been hit, right? Now you could think like, okay, what am I gonna do now? Am I gonna put stops at break even? Am I going to, let it run? Me personally, at this time, because you already have one winning trade, I would just put this one at break even, right? And then you still made, right? You still made 1.5% off one trade. If you would have closed that trade, you probably would have been at 2.5% for the day. That's good, man. You do 2.5% on 100K, man. You balling for the day. You know what I mean? So yeah, now with gold, we're just waiting, man. Just waiting. That's it. But I didn't catch this entry because I was asleep. What time was this? Oh, I wasn't asleep. I was eating at my auntie's house. Right. I forgot. We're just waiting, man. We are just waiting. 30-minute. 1 hour's open. 4 hours open. Where the fuck? Give me a second. Forgot to send the link out. Whoops. What the fuck? Give me a second. Screen 2 would be gold. Okay, perfect. And then I super duper forgot to send that out to the peoples. Whoops. Boom. Right. That's what we're looking at for gold. Now, 4 hour closed, 4 hour closed, below structure, 4 hour engulfed, 2 candles. So now say price pulls up into this area again, this weekly resistance, and there is and we do have price action confirmation, try to take a sell. Right? You try to take a sell. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Simplicity. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. You gonna cry about it? No. Right? Stick with your shit. Stick with your plans. We'll pull back 50% from that move already. 15 minutes rejecting here, which is then this support area, right? Which is then the retest right now. Sells at 1834 on gold. I don't know. We'll just have to see what price does in that area. I'm not here to send signals, bro. Really not. I'm here to help. Here to, answer questions. I don't like sending signals like that. Right, so let's see. Now the only thing that we could do is just wait. It's just that simple. Wait, be patient. It's boring, I know. Nothing much happening, but it's normal. It's gold. It's trading, right? I would love to see price pull up in here and do its thing, reject again. But until we get to that area, we gotta wait, man. We gotta wait. We have to wait. Only buys that I'm probably looking at taking is down here, and then potentially I probably wouldn't even do it. Honestly, probably wouldn't even do it. Right? When the time of volume comes, 15-minute, 30-minute, Man, I went to sleep late yesterday. I was up learning something new. Not relating to Forex though. I was up like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Just grinding, man. Learning, working my brain, and it affects me right now. I'm kind of tired. Woke up at 6, ate my breakfast, did my workout. You know what I'm saying? Big boy things here, eh? No, I'm just playing. So what do we see now here on the 5-minute time frame? 5-minute time frame is rejecting. Right, it's rejecting. But is it gonna be enough? Because you have the 1 hour that just opened in 1834 to 1827. Why? Why are you looking over there, Sylvester? You been here since like the beginning of the when I started streaming. I appreciate that. So now you should know like why. You know I'm gonna ask you a why. There's always got to be a why. You can't just short it. You know what I mean? You can't just short it. What's your confirmations after the fact, right? Right, 5-minute closed with no bottom wick. 15-minute is looks like it's closing doji like. Doji means no, right? It has no direction, no chosen direction, right? So what could happen now, right? Right now, I wait just a little bit longer. I wait just a little bit longer. Oh, and we have news as well. CPI, they're called negative numbers, which means positive gold. Yeah, could get dangerous here later. But I think we need to come down here. An entry is possible right now. We have a 10 pip stop. Should I do it? Should I do it? 4 hour candle. Mm. All right, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. 1 minute, 5 minute. Oh, buddy, what up? My bad. My fault. Right. So let's see here, man. Let's see if we can get one more rejection up in this area. Because if price respects this support here, then it's short lived, right? It is short lived at that time. Let's see. Sales at 1834 on gold. I'm looking at sales from 1834, 1827. The reason why I'm looking for that is that is the one breaking last low in 1834 support has not been retested before. 1834 support has not been retested. Yep, on a 1 hour. Yes, that zone I have marked up as well. Right. Yeah, see, that's why I waited. I didn't like this. I didn't like this at all. Also it's like you need deeper retracement at this point. I mean, we did break structure on the 1 hour. Right, we did break structure on the 1 hour. We closed below structure on the 4 hour. Now we just need to respect this area to keep going lower, right? See, good thing we didn't take any shorts. I didn't like that area at all. We pull up. I need to pull in. I need to pull back into the zone, and then reject and close back below the zone. You know what I mean? Because right now these 5-minute candles are printing kind of bullish. 15-minute rejected again, but it's still closing bullish. Right? Let's see what the Fib's talking about. We're in this little area. We're in this little zone. Right at 50 61.8. Did break structure. So let's see. See if we can get a 76.40 retest. To then continue price lower into these areas for the New York session to shoot it up. Perfect scenario right there. All right, 80 pip move. Perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. See 15-minute. Excuse me. Ooh, this is that right, we're only looking for engulfings on the 15-minute or any type of price action on the 5-minute, right? To take a potential sell, right? Because I feel like weekly resistance and daily support levels, I would never buy there. Ever, 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 ever. Right. Yeah, that'd be dope. Come down here to the support again. See here what it's doing here. 50%. 50% level as well. First higher low. As soon as you break. And what it also could do, but I don't think so, is, spike up higher one time. But the next level of interest that I'm interested in is up here. This whole level. Make that red. Just like that. Right? So let's just wait. Let's look at the YouTube studio here. It could be a fake on that 4 hour. I don't necessarily think it's fake. I think it's just I just think it rejected an area here, which is so weird. Kind of respected this whole zone right here, right, which is 30-minute resistance. So, I'm still not buying. I mean, no way. No way. No way in hell. Oh, excuse me. That second time. right? For our break, for our retest, this should be the area, or this area, or this 1 hour area right here where price comes back lower, right? We'll see. Be patient. All right. Yeah. Just kind of slowly making its way back up here. The looks of it. Kind of want to wait for like a 15-minute bearish candle. Unless 5 minute really shows me what it wants to show me. But right now it's not doing that. Right. Just gotta be patient, man. That's it. Patience, 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 patience. That's it, man. That is it. I'm not gonna stay on the charts long today either. Right, it's Thursday. Now it'd be perfect if this 5 minute candle flipped. And you'd be looking at something like that. That'd be beautiful. To then potentially, I always say potentially, right? Come down. Yo, what's up, Dennis? What are you eating? What? Oh, pickles. Interesting. What flavor? Yeah, there's different type of flavored pickles, bro. You never had dill pickle? Look, you never had these? Alright, this is American, bro. This is that heat. This is that heat. I used to eat these. Not a lot though, but I did chop some down, 100%. You have hot ones. You have regular ones with like extra salt. You have a bunch, bro. You have a bunch. So good. So good. Nah. I don't like eat pickles dry like that, bro. I'm good. What? Oh, fuck that. You're crazy. Can't do that. I mean, I could, but I'd rather have them in my food. You know what I mean? Yeah. I mean, it is what it is, right? As long as you're enjoying your pickles, then I'm happy for you. Looks like we lost volume before news. Yeah, no volume. Stuck. New York's gonna be lit. 100%. 300%. I'm not sticking around though. You know what I'm saying? I'm not looking to stick around for New York. That 1 hour candle. 4 hour candle. 5. Okay. Dropping. Dropped in the first 18 seconds of the 5 minute open. That's never really a good sign, but then shows that the 30 minute, the 15 minute are gonna close somewhat bearish, right? And the 1 hour still has 34 minutes to flip. So, eh. But like I said, it's in the first 4 minutes. Or the first minutes of the 5 minute candle and it's already dropping. It kind of is never really a good sign. 30 minute. Oh, it looks like volume picking up again. Well, it's just bouncing around, you know what I mean? How did your buys on GJ play out, Dennis? $83 pips in profit. Where's that like? Oh, like right here. Oh, you entered the buys on that consolidation. Yeah, nice. What's your TP? Oh, right in this 4 hour zone. Nice. Nice. Good job. Very nice job. Gotta do what you gotta do. New York is gonna be lit. Lit, 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 lit. Oh man. Oh. 15 minute closes in 2 minutes. It's rejecting now. It's just battling in this area. 5 minute just made its top wick, and there she goes. 30 minute looks like it's closing bearish. Just gonna have to see. 1 hour still has 32 minutes to do what it wants to do. Right. I told you long ago, on the road, what you fighting for? Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, 15 minutes engulfing. 15 minutes engulfing. Now, I am going to practice what I preach. So, there's an entry here at the break if you want, right? It didn't break yet. Or you could wait for it to close engulfing. That's your options. But if it doesn't close engulfing, just know you got to wait for another engulfing candle, right? Those are options, right? So, So it kind of didn't. No, it didn't break. Didn't break. So it's kind of rejecting here, or like 2 times already now. The time it's gonna break. 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth rejection. Right? There's nothing there. Weird. 1 minute structure. Whoa. Oh, it's resistance right here. Duh. All right. So 30-minute close, bearish. 1 hour still open, we're bearish. 4 hour, we're bearish. And then the daily, we're also bearish. So let's see what it wants to do here in this area. 15-minute almost engulfed, but it didn't. It did create resistance on the lower time frames at our previous support. Right now, it retested. Now it needs to run away and close below this again to then continue seeing lower movement here on the 4 hour. Right. I can't sing on here because they'll probably give me like a YouTube, what is that, copyright bullshit. Right, so now the 1 hour needs to just break below, and then it's good to go. Settings, just like that. Open up YouTube. $15-minute top wick. Looks like it just made it. It's just stuck in this area. This area is fucking nasty, bro. What the fuck? Ugh. It should continue down though, but it's ugly. It is ugly. So for whoever is watching in the YouTube, the 28 people, make sure you leave a like. If you don't want to leave a like, that's fine too. Nothing going on right now. Just waiting, man. Just waiting. All right, just waiting. 30-minute closed below support. Made resistance. Now you just gotta wait for the 1 hour. And that's how you gradually take it step for step for step for step for step until your TP is eventually hit. All right. I told you long ago. Or it could just fake everyone the fuck out and just shoot up in everyone's face. That's a possibility as well. It's trading. It's all part of it. Yeah, there's nothing happening here right now. It's making its 30-minute top wick. 5 minutes engulfing. 15-minute is pushing up. All right. Let's see here. Hmm? Am I not live anymore? You got your account from which prop firm? Funding talent, bro. I'm a funded trader that damn near fucking fucked some shit up last week. Yeah, funding talent, bro. I can tell you their broker sucks ass, but they respect. They're respectful people. You know what I mean? So yeah. Satish. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Maybe you should ask my broker if I took a trade. I have no idea, bro. First time I see you on the stream and that's the first thing you ask. It's kind of rude. Normal people say hi first. Something. Right? Mm. Oof. All the best. Love. Yeah. There's not really much going on. I am about to just end the stream because I'm not trading New York today. Price is pushing up. Mm, 30-minute, 1 hour. Let's see here, the 1 hour. Yeah. So I am by the end of the stream. I'm about to go handle my business real quick. I got a couple of things to do. Short stream today. Thanks everyone for tuning in. And I will catch you guys tomorrow for the last trading day. Peace out.